Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel Frozen Killer. In this course, we are learning video programming with C#. So if you are new, make sure to subscribe the channel, like this video and must share it with your friends. In this class, we will discuss making menus, setting menu properties, creating context menu. So let's begin. Creating menus. To create a menu, simply drop a menu shift control on the form. By default, the menu strip is docked to the top of the form like this, so you don't really need to position it carefully. Just double click on the toolbox and you are set. It is also appear in the component tray. This is the component tray below the form. When you select menu strip on the form or from component tray, the menu bar at the top of the form displays this type here box. Click here and type menu's caption to create main menu. You can continue clicking menu items to add sub-menus as deeply as you like. Continue entering text in the type here box to build the whole menu structure. Setting menu properties. First of all, checked. Checked property determines whether the item is checked or not. So let's check it. Just select an item from this menu like save. And change its check property to true. Now you can see this check on this item. Next property is check on click. When user click on this item, the check sign will appear. So this is check on click. Click on save as and change its check on click property to true. Now let's check it. When user click on it, it will show check sign. So this is check on click property. So next property is enabled. It indicates whether the item is enabled or not. So let's check it. Select this exit item. This is enable property. Change it to false. Now check what change. Now check it. See, this is disabled. User cannot use it. Now next is name property. As I tell you before, name property is used in the code. So when you change its name, you can easily refer it in the code. Shortcut keys. It is used to set the shortcut of any menu. So let's set shortcut keys for this save as menu. Control. See, this show all keyboard keys in this list. So select F1. See, these shortcut keys will appear in this menu like this. Next is text property. As you know, text property is appear on this form, so let's change text property of this menu. Its text change to hello, so text property is used to appear on this form. Now let's see how to create a context menu. A context menu appears when you right click a particular control. In a window form app, using context menu is almost as easy as using main menu. Drop a context menu on the form from toolbox. It will not appear on the form, it will appear in this component tray with this menu strip. So if you want to edit this context menu, just select it from this component tray. You can type any commands, you can type any text in these type here boxes. So now you have to select a particular control on which user right click to open context menu. You can select it for a button, label or any control, even on entire form. So let's set this context menu to the form. Simply set the form's context menu strip property to the context menu strip. Just select the form. Now select this property and click on it. So let's check it. When user right click on this form, this context menu is appear. So this is very interesting, must try it. I think that's enough for this class. In the next class, take care of yourself, remember me in your prayers. Bye for now.